one video gave me 1 point something k subscribers, like one video. I'm not talking about two videos or three, just one video. And on this video I'm going to be showing you how I did it, what exactly I did to get this massive result, and also to take you through the process on how you can do yours to get this result too. Trust me, if you can replicate whatever I'm going to show you in this video, whatever I'm going to tell you in this video, exactly what I said, the right way, I do it the right way, okay, you would testify also. See, I'm not here to waste your time, okay? So right now I will even be showing you this particular video to share my screen with you so that you don't think I'm here to deceive you or something like that. No, we don't do that on this channel. So let me go to my YouTube channel, my YouTube studio, to show you this particular video, if it's so that you can see that what I'm saying is actually true. After which I will take you through the process. I'll tell you what to do so that you can also come and share your own testimony. Okay, but before I continue, my name is Kalista Mesomachi, and on this, alright, so without wasting your time, I'll be taking you to my YouTube studio so that you can see for yourself what I'm saying. Okay, let me start my screen recording. Okay, now I'm in my YouTube studio. You can see I have 1.798 subscribers at the moment. I have 57.4 watch 4K views and 309 watch time hours. Okay, now this is a particular video that did the magic for me. Okay, this is the particular video. Okay, this is a particular video. This particular one, I got 22k views. You can see I posted it 5 days ago. I was actually to do this video like 3 days back, but I've not got the time to. Okay, so let's say this particular video. Let's go to the analytics of this video. Okay, this video gave me 22.4k views. Okay, you can see the subscriber count, 1.2k subscribers. Guys, you can see it for yourself right there. What's the reach? 22.4k reach engagement. I got 12.8k engagement. Like, my phone was bruising immediately I posted this video. I have not rested up to this very moment. People are still liking, subscribing, and commenting as I'm doing this video. Okay, so on this video I'm going to show you exactly what I did. If you can replicate whatever I'm going to show you in this video the exact way I showed you, you will testify. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, so pay very close attention. You go to your YouTube, sorry guys, I'll start screen recording again. Okay, open your YouTube app. Okay, when you open your YouTube app, go to the search bar and type this particular name, Luna Blocks US, the first one. Okay, so once you type the name, go ahead to subscribe if you have not subscribed, then you view the channel. So once you open the channel, tap on shorts, okay, and go to popular. Tap on popular. Okay, select any of the popular videos you can see. All right, let's see this particular one. Okay, once you select any of this video, before you select, make sure you choose the one that has high engagement on it. Just like this one has already 1.57k likes and 39k comments, this particular video has high engagement. Okay, now see what you need to do. Before you go ahead, to you need to collaborate with this channel. Actually, that is what I did. Okay, before you collaborate, look at the caption of this particular video. Okay, your sibling's name is probably on this video. This is the caption on this list. Hashtag shorts. Copy this same exact caption because it will be useful to you at the end of this particular video. Okay, so you go back and tap on this arrow sign. Okay, tap on collab. we want to collaborate with this particular channel. Okay, so before you do, go ahead, change your timer. We are not using this particular video is actually 46 seconds, and that is what we'll be using. You change it at the top over here, drag the video to the end, then you tap on next. I hope you're following me along. Pay very close attention. Okay, so you tap on next. Oh my god, this is actually taking so much time and I don't want that. It's processing, guys. So let's wait. If you can replicate exactly what I'm saying in this video, you will testify. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so this is it, guys, as you can see. All right, so make sure you turn off your own volume, your sound, okay, from your phone over here. So once you're done, you go ahead to start making the video. You start reacting to this particular video. Okay, let's go ahead. If I say your brother or sister's name, you're out. I'll start with the rarest one. Just be making facial expressions, okay, that will keep the viewers watching because you are duetting with this particular video. Bye bye, buddy. Still in the game? Leave a like so I know who's still here. Now I'll say some more comments. So I will end it here, but when you are doing yours, make sure you do it to the end of the video. Okay, I don't want to take so much time in this video, that's why I had to end it. Okay, you take the video. If I say your brother or sister's name, you're out. I'll start okay, with the you tap on next. You can add your, change the filter, add, no, this is it. Just tap on next once you're done from this place. Okay, oh my god, this is taking, okay, this is it. Okay, remember I asked you to copy the caption. Okay, copy the caption. This is where you add the exact caption you saw on the video. Like they use capital letter, make sure you use capital letter, add the emojis and everything just the way it is. And once you're done, remember to add your hashtag duet and hashtag shorts. Okay, because you want to duet with this particular channel, you must indicate it on the video so that YouTube will be aware of what you're actually doing. Okay, so once you're done, make sure you change your visibility to public. Okay, select audience, it's not meant for kids, put it on no, it's not meant for kids. Okay, so you go back. So once you're done, the next thing you do is to hit the upload shorts. If you do everything I just mentioned in this video the exact way I showed you, everything I told you in this video, just do it like that and upload your video. You will see the magic. You will see the magic. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. And please, if this strategy works for you, please, this particular strategy works, okay, you don't just need to do one video and rest. Continue doing it. You can post 5 times in a day, right? Because it is not every video you do it, every duet you do with this particular channel that will go viral. It is not all of them. Okay, so you continue doing it until you get what you want. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye guys.